Are you tired of complicated trading strategy which leave you more confused than confident? Guys, today I'm going to show you my strategy step by step, which is simple, effective and works for me. And guess what? We are putting the legendary MACD indicator to the test. Today we will hunt for those golden opportunities and fingers crossed we are going to make them into profits. I'm keeping it real, starting with $42 on my deposit. And what's my goal today? Guys, I'm going to flip this amount into $12,000 or $13,000. Crazy? Maybe. Is it possible? Well, stick around and find out. So to begin with, I want to tell you what the indicator is and what we'll rely on today while choosing entry points. And let's get started, guys. As you can see, this indicator is located at the bottom of the screen and it consists of two sliding ones, green and red, and also from the histogram of green and red columns. When I see such an intersection of moving averages as here, we also have a green histogram forming. We see that in such situation the price starts to move up. That is, here we can open a deal to go up. Next, as you can see, the price is moving down. At the same time, we see that we have an intersection of the moving averages and the red histogram is forming on the indicator. So in such situation, I could have opened a deal to go down. Also here we will look at the situation with consolidation. That is when our price doesn't move significantly as it does here. Then we'll see that the moving averages often intersects with each other. Also, the histogram is not particularly shown. That is, in such situation, as you can see, it is difficult to choose a good entry point. Therefore, I suggest avoiding such situations and looking for more detailed price movements and more detailed indicator signals. So these are the main points that we will need today in our trading. And let's get started, guys. I will find the first entry point. So as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend, but at the moment we see some kind of fading on the chart. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal down because we can see that we have formed a red histogram and we have an intersection of the sliding lines. This is how we understand that the price has a good downward potential. Also, as you can see, the price had been moving up for a long time without making any downward pullbacks as such. At the same time, we also see that the candlesticks on the chart have become shorter recently. That is, the price has slowed down its growth and there's still a long way to go before the previous price low. Therefore, I think that the price is more likely to pull back down in the near future. We'll try to make money on it here. And let's wait for the result, my dear traders. Well done, great guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and it showed us a good decrease. This is how we got the profit, and as you can see, the indicator didn't let us down. It suggested us a really good entry point. Well guys, this is our first deal. It was successful. I think it's a great start. Let's continue, guys. So as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend, but at the moment the price is pulling back down, and in such situation we will open a deal to go up because we see a green histogram on the indicator and the moving averages are connecting. This is how we understand that the price has the potential to go up. At the same time, we see that the price moving quite impulsively to the top. Also, there is still enough space left from our entry point to reach the maximum point on the chart. Therefore, I think that this price is more likely to continue moving up in the general uptrend in the near future. We will try to make money from this growth here, and also here we took 2 minutes to spare, taking into account that the price may get into this consolidation zone or make a pullback down. And as you can see now, the price is already going upper than our entry point. Let's wait for the result. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. Well guys, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showing a good growth And despite a strong pullback, our deal closed above the entry point. And that's how we managed to make money here, guys. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again. And in this situation, let's continue and consider another following trading situation. So as you can see here, the price is moving in an uptrend, and after the downward pullback, it showed the growth again. Therefore, we'll open a deal to go up, as the indicator makes it clear to us that the price has a good potential for growth. We also see that the main price lows on the chart are getting higher, and also the downward pullback, we saw an impulsive green candle. That is, the price made a reversal and began to move up, and it is more likely that the price will continue to move up in an uptrend in the near future. And let's wait for the result, guys. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. Well, my dear traders, that's great, and as you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario, and it showed a good growth. This is how we got the profit here. Well, I suggest that we continue and consider another situation on the market. So guys, as you can see here, the price showed an increase, but at the moment it's starting to move down. At the same time, a red histogram is formed and the moving averages are connected. In such situation, I suggest opening a deal to go down, as I assume that the price will move down. Because we see that earlier the price came to this zone, but after several attempts to break through this area, the price eventually made a reversal and showed a strong decline again. Here the price has a resistance zone, and this time we also saw a reaction and red candles appeared on the chart. All these points indicate that the price has a good downward potential. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, my dear traders, it's not bad at all. As you can see, the price showing a decrease and our deal closed below the entry point. Guys, we already have $572 on deposit. That is, our initial amount has increased more than 10 times. Guys, if you think that it's an amazing result, put a big thumbs up to this video and let's continue. As you can see here, the price showed an increase, but from the resistance level, it began to roll back down. That's why we are opening a deal down here, because we also have an intersection of moving averages on the indicator. This is how we understand that the price has the potential to go down. We also see that earlier the price moved mainly with green candles, but as you can see, the resistance level is still preventing the price from continuing its growth. And we have more red candlesticks on the chart. Therefore, I think that the price will pull back down in the near future, and then it will probably resume its growth. Here we will try to make money on such rollback. And let's wait for the result, guys. Well, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, our price showed a slight decrease and our deal closed below the entry point. This is how we made the profit here, and also the indicator in this situation didn't let us down again. It suggested us a really good entry point. Guys, let's continue and find the situation on the market. So as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend, and at the moment it is showing a decrease. At the same time, a red histogram is formed and the green line went down. Therefore, we are opening a deal to go down because we also see that the main price highs on the chart are getting lower. Also, after a long period of consolidation, the price made a downward momentum and we have a large number of red candlesticks on the chart. Also, now the price is going below our entry point. So all these points made it clear to us that the price has a good potential to go down. And I think that the price will continue to move down on a downtrend. Guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price moving according to our scenario and is showing a good decline. Thus, this transaction brought us a profit, and also 2 minutes was perfect for us here. Well, I suggest we continue and consider the following trading situation. So as you can see here, the price showed a strong decrease, and at the moment it is hitting the support level, which previously held the price well. The price showed a good increase from this level. At the same time, we see a green histogram on the indicator, and the moving averages are connected. Therefore, I suggest opening a deal to go up because I think that the price will bounce up because there's still a long distance to reach the maximum point on the chart. And also here we took the time of 2 minutes with a margin, take into account the price may fall into the consolidation zone or it might make a roll back down. Guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's great, guys. As you can see, the price is moving according to our scenario and it bounced up from the support level. And of course, it showed us a good growth. Thus, this transaction brought us a profit, guys, and we have already almost $3,500. We are constantly approaching our trading goal, guys. Let's continue. So, as you can see here, the price is moving in a downtrend. And at the moment it is showing a decrease. Here we will open a deal to go down because the moving averages also intersect on the indicator. This is how we understand that the price has the potential to go down, and we also see that there is a good confident downward movement here, and after a fairly strong upward pullback the price made a reversal. And we have a large number of red candles on the chart. That all these moments show us that the price will continue to move down on downtrend. And so, my dear traders, let's wait for the result. Well, my dear traders, as you can see, our price showing a decrease, and this deal brought us a profit. And also the indicator turned out to be right again in this situation, and it helped us to make money. Guys, I suggest we continue one more deal for today. So guys, as you can see here, the price moves quite impulsively, and at the moment it is showing growth. Therefore, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up because I think that the price will move up, because we also have an intersection of the moving averages on the indicator and a green histogram has appeared. Also, as you can see, the price is showing a good growth after a strong decline. Also, now after the price decrease, I have seen a reversal and we have a large number of green candles on the chart. Therefore, I think that in the near future, the price will still show us a growth. We'll try to make money on it here, and let's wait for the result, guys. So, my dear traders, that's great. As you can see, our price showing a good growth, and this deal brought us a profit, guys. And we already got over $12,000 on deposit. In other words, our trading goal has been fulfilled. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope that you find this video entertaining and helpful. And if yes, guys, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video. And also don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss my new strategies, because I'm going to share more strategies with you. And hey, if you want to access to my trading signals for free, guys, I'm going to share them with my exclusive community. How to get into this community, guys, super easy. Just text me code word signal and all the essential links you'll find down below. By the way, what's your favorite indicator or strategy in trading? Guys, let me know about it down below in the comment section. Maybe I will try some of your ideas in the future videos. Guys, I wish you to have profitable trading sessions, more profit as much as possible, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!